Hello, we are from MedicAid and we are here to facilitate a better online consultations between doctor and patients. So what's the problem with the current solution? There are many solutions on App Store and Google Play Store where they allow you to call the doctor via a video app or VoIP, but not many doctors actually use this. So the first issue with these apps is that there are technical difficulties, so the doctor is unable to hear what the patient says, or else the second problem is that there are issues with the fact that a human cannot actually type out what the patient is saying in real time. And plus, due to the use of broken English by the patients, it becomes difficult for the doctor to predict what symptoms they're talking about. So what's our solution? Our solution is going to use speech to text, NLP, AR, and at the same time use the medical record to predict the diseases that they might have. So we plan to create a seamless experience for the patient. So in this case, the patient calls the doctor via our app. So our app would be using either VoIP or the normal phone call to call the doctor. Then the app will give real-time speech to text and detect the symptoms from the patient's speech using NLP. Then after getting the speech right, even though our NLP is strong enough to detect spelling errors and also broken English, so it wouldn't be very difficult for us to get the symptoms out of the patient's speech, and after that we will be predicting the diseases that the patient might have from the symptoms that they describe. And this will be shown in a big screen for the ease of the doctor. Then after this, right, the doctor can provide his prescriptions on our app and it will directly order from the nearest pharmacy to the patient's house. So by doing this, right, we are hoping to create a seamless experience for the patients. And since we are targeting elderly patients, right, we will be using a feature. We are planning to implement a feature where an AR feature that detects the medicine. So using machine learning, we plan to detect the medicine by pointing the camera at it and overlay the name of the medicine using AR kit. So what's our milestones? So in May 2019, we got our NLP and Siri text-to-speech working. So I'll be showing a demo right now. So we just saw our May 2019 progress. So now I'll be talking about the June, July, August. So in June, we hope to get the call recorder feature working. And after recording the voice, we'll pass it through a Siri speech to text and get a near real-time speech to text. We also plan to build the API to handle the text given from Siri and use our NLP that we got working in May. So in July, we hope to train the image detection model to detect the medicines and then test our product with all our features. Then in August, we hope to launch our product. So thank you for listening to MedicAid.
Hello, my name is Marc and today I'll be talking about how to use real-time speech-to-text transcribation using Siri to translate a patient's speech into text directly to be sent to our backend for NLP processing to better diagnose the patient using AI. So without further ado, now I'll begin by pressing this button here. It will prompt me to start recording. This is basically a start-stop button, and then it will tell me to say something. So now I'll press this button here. Hello, my name is Marc, and I have a fever of 40 degrees. So as you can see, it's able to transcribe my speech to text in real time. That's all. Thank you.
Now I'll be going through the NLP part, the part that will be detecting the symptoms from what the patient says after Marc has given it in a speech-to-text form. So here let me give an example. Say I have a headache. See, I have misspelled headache and it should detect it as headache. Then the next one will be I have a chest pain and it will detect it as chest pain. So after we get the symptoms, we will try to predict the diseases from it. Then after detecting the diseases, we will display it on a big screen so that it will be easier for the doctors to diagnose the patient.